Hello and welcome to Young Learners, beginner level. In today's lesson, we learn about the body and face. Come with me to my art class. Let's first learn words for parts of the face. Listen and say. Ear, ear. Eye, eye. Face, face. Hair, hair. Head, head. Mouth, mouth. Nose, nose. Great job! Now, let's learn words for parts of the body. Listen and say. Arm, arm. Body, body. Foot, foot. Hand, hand. Leg, leg. Great listening and speaking. Now, let's look at my paintings. It is a painting of a monster. Do you like it? It has black hair and an orange body. It has 2 eyes. Answer the questions about colour. Try to make a sentence. Are you ready? What colour body has the monster? A blue body. It has a blue body. What colour eyes has the monster? Orange eyes. It has orange eyes. Now, answer the questions about arms and legs. Try to make a sentence. Are you ready? How many arms has the monster? Four arms. It has 4 arms. How many legs has the monster? 6 legs. It has 6 legs. This time, answer the questions about heads or colour. Try to make a sentence. Are you ready? How many heads has the monster? 2 heads. It has 2 heads. What colour mouth has the monster? Orange mouth. It has an orange mouth. Awesome! I hope you liked my monster paintings. Make sure to come back soon to watch another video or check out our website esleSchool.com.